What's up guys, how you doing? Today I got a Temporal Forces booster box. It's been a long time since I've opened a booster box of anything. Last time I opened one was on the channel. It was a couple months ago. I've only opened 2 packs of Temporal Forces, so I'm excited to open some more. There's A-Specs in this set. There's lots of cool stuff. I didn't look too much into it because I wanted to be a little surprised with what I pull. This video is probably going to be broken up into 2 parts. I'll do one half of the box today and the next half of the box in another video, just for time's sake, because I do like to enjoy opening the packs, so I don't fly through them because I don't get to open this many packs that often. I bought this booster box from Millennium Games. It was $120. Which still is not bad because I did the math. It comes out to around $3.30 a pack, which is a lot better than spending $5, sometimes even $6 a pack, like you do with at a lot of places nowadays, because Pokemon cards are getting insanely expensive. Gotta love that. I remember when packs, you could go to a regular store and get packs for $3. Can't do that anymore. Okay. So, let's get started. Let's just get started with the opening. First pack. Fighting Energy, Heatmore, Yamper, Torcat, Grubbin, Centiskorch, Buddy Poffin. This is one of the new trainer cards in the set. Goes very well. Search your deck for 2 basic Pokemon with 70 HP or less and put them onto your bench. This is a great way to get your basics out for any evolution deck. This card is a must in a lot of decks. Got Iron Treads, Reverse Hollow Fluttermane, Reverse Hollow Shiftry, and a Koraidon Hollow. Next pack. Metal Energy, Bronzor, Mightyena, Duosion. So how are you guys doing today? I'm doing pretty good. I get to open this booster box, so that's pretty nice. Then we got Iron Boulder EX. First pull of the day, and you know the rules. We pull a EX, so you guys get the code card for the pack. Okay. Next pack. I do really enjoy these future and ancient cards. I think it's a pretty cool way to create new Pokemon and just make different versions of Pokemon. I think that's pretty cool. Lightning Energy, Frostmoth, Noctowl, Croconaw, Lickilicky, Boxed Order, Ribombee. One thing I do miss is Fairy type Pokemon. I can't believe they got rid of Fairy type from the TCG. That sucks. Cottony. And a full art Torterra EX. That card, I love the way the full arts look in Scarlet and Violet. They're so pretty. Torterra EX, stage 2. Jungle Hammer, heal 50. That's not bad. 30 free to grass Pokemon in play. Not awful, not awful. It is a stage 2 though, but it does have a lot of health. 340. Next pack. Oh. Code card from that pack. Water Energy. Pikachu. Ghastly, Elgium, Sizzlepede, Great Tusk, Salvator, Bronzong. We got a Reverse Palafin, Reverse Croconaw, and a Hollow Magcargo. Oops, sorry about that. go. What is this, pack number 5? I believe so. Grass Energy, Matang, Carcoal, Grotto, Finizen, Iron Hands, a rescue board. Great, I needed one of these actually. Sandy Shocks, Reverse Victini, Reverse Mudsail, and an Iron Valiant Hollow. That's cool. Next pack. So what do you guys think of the Scarlet and Violet era so far? I think it's okay. One thing I do miss are the yellow borders. I like the gray borders, I think they look good, but I do prefer the yellow. Get Reverse Licky Licky, Reverse Mr. Mime, and a Wug Trio EX. I can't believe this card got an EX. That's crazy. And it's not that good. It's not awful, but it's also, I mean, Numbing Hold, it only does 120, has 250 health, it'll get knocked out in 2 hits, and 120 won't knock out a lot of stuff in 2 hits, so. Temporal Forces, another pack. Obviously it's Temporal Forces, I don't know why I said that. There we go. Fire Energy, Bronzor, Mightyena, Duogen, Haunter, Hand Trimmer, Rabska, Fortress, Reverse Torcat, Reverse Golurk, and a Roaring Moon Hollow. See, that's the thing with these hollows having the shiny edges, is that you sometimes think you have something and it's just a regular hollow. Which is still crazy to me that like hollows are worth like nothing now because they're in every pack. I remember back like Sun and Moon, XY, even just back in Sword and Shield even, like getting a hollow was still a hit. Now it's just like, oh, whatever. Which is cool for people who, you know, if you have kids who only get like a pack every now and then, at least then you don't have to worry about them getting absolutely nothing. Minccino, Rockruff, Litten, another Iron Valiant, Sharpedo, Metagross, Reverse Vikavolt, Reverse Matang, and Iron Thorns Hollow. Packs are a little tough to open. So I'm pretty happy. I've been watching live streams on YouTube lately, and a Pokemon channel I used to watch a lot, the Pokemon Evolutionaries, have been live streaming on YouTube now around like once a month, and it's been cool. It's been cool being able to see them open stuff and do stuff because they haven't uploaded in like a year or 2 now. Ooh, Torterra EX. So we got 2 Torterras. We got the regular and the full art version. Pokemon Listeners are like one of my favorite channels. It's just nice to see them still doing stuff. Been watching them for like 7 or 8 years. Lightning Energy, Shroomish, Lickitung, Slugma, Colossus, Roserade, Kelbio, Iron Drogless, Reverse Mudbray, Reverse Melton. Oh, Reverse Melton, then we got the Hollow Melmetal. That's cool. I like when you get the evolution. Next pack. Grass Energy, Meryl, Gullet, Dunsparce, Snom, Cypher Maniac's Code Breaking. Had to think about that one for a second. Vicavolt, Great Tusk. Ooh, and we got our first Ace Trainer, Maximum Belt, and we got a illustration rare Meltan. Double hit. That's nice. That's nice. Ace Spec, I mean, not Ace Trainer. Ace Spec. These used to be cards. I believe Ace Specs were in black and white originally. It's cool to see them bringing this back. Put that right here. Then we got our illustration rare Meltan, which is awesome. Okay. Definitely be giving away the code for that. That was a good pack. So. Next pack. I don't really play the online TCG anymore because Pokemon Live, like their new setup, just is nowhere near as good as Pokemon TCG online. Like the new Pokemon Live is just it's not that good. Bramblin, Delmise, Electrovir, Cinccino, Reverse Elgem, Reverse Sawsbuck, and a Hollow Feral. Whatever. I'm not even gonna try to pronounce it. I'm just gonna embarrass myself. Next pack. Doing pretty good so far. Haven't gotten any like big hits, I don't think. But we got an Ace Spec, we have an Illustration Rare, we have some regular EXs, and we have a full art. So we got a pretty good variety of stuff in this first half. Mudbray, Lucino, Rockruff, Litten, Salvatore, Bronzong, Excadrill, then Reverse Drillbur, Reverse Bronzor, and a Hollow Bramblegast. Next up, Grass Energy, Rapparang, Roselia, Cutiefly, Drillbur, Sableye. I love Sableye. It's one of my favorite Pokemon. Great Tusk, Morty's Conviction, Minccino, Reverse Mightyena, and a Hollow Drampa. Next pack. Fighting Energy, Shroomish, Lickitung, Slugma, Solosis, Screamtail, Zorora, another Iron Valiant, Reverse Sableye, that's cool. Reverse Screamtail, man, I love the way the ancient and future Pokemon reverses look. Oh, and we got a Raging Bolt EX, awesome. Another regular EX. Saved up. Okay, 3 packs left of the left half of the box. Fire Energy, Rellor, Ponyta, Chatot, Cottonee, Shiftry, Bianca's Devotion, Reniculus, Reverse Grubbin, Reverse Grotle, and a Roaring Moon Hollow. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. Okay, next pack. Lightning Energy, Scyther, Skitty, Electabuzz, Bramblin, Sharpedo, Metagross, Roserade. We got a reverse Beldum, reverse Behemoth, and a hollow Dunsparce. Okay, final pack of today's video. Final pack on the left side of the box. Let's see. Can we end on a high note? Okay. Well, hopefully that means we're gonna get something good. Even if we don't, I'd still be pretty happy with this half of the box. We got 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 hits in just the first half, which is pretty good. Metal Energy, Carvana, Ekans, Turtwig, Poochyena, Explorer's Guide, Latias. We got another Ancient Booster Capsule, Turtwig, Metachamp, and a Flutter Main Hollow. Okay. So I would say this first half of the box is pretty good. We got 7 Ultra Rares or better. We got a Maximum Belt. The attack card is attached. Does 50 more damage to your opponent's Pokemon EX. That is pretty cool. Got the Meltan Illustration Rare. Then we have the Full Art Torterra. Then we got Raging Bolt EX, Torterra EX, Wugtrio EX, and Iron Boulder EX. Okay, thank you guys for watching. See you in the next vid.